Alright guys, we're back here at the restaurant.
They're doing crazy stuff.
Oh my god.
Kalen's reaction.
It's freezing.
Yeah, we have to. Oh no, we can turn on all this stuff.
And there's already plates and cups.
Yeah, and they said we could just keep all of it, use all of it.
Me and Manny were saying last time, like, who drew that? Like, you know what I mean? Like the last time, like 2 years ago.
Yeah, because this hasn't been open for 2 years, so.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
And
it even has already a desk and everything.
And
But look how old the calculators and stuff are.
Yeah.
these are normal. Those are the normal ones.
I know. No, there's one over there that looks super old. Come here, look.
Oh, yeah, yeah, we probably just have to like plug it in and stuff like that.
I mean, it's nice.
It's
I'm just
dirty
saying.
though. I
It
just
was a
touched it.
Mexican restaurant back then.
Yeah, supposedly. Look at that 2-year-old water though in that bucket. Ew. It's 2 years old.
This wasn't here last time, was it?
What is this?
I can't remember actually.
This wasn't here.
Oh hell no.
Maybe it was in the back.
This is really scary.
No.
Oh, yeah,
Just
it's
turn on
lights or
the-
something. Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Wait, turn them
Oh, I thought they went out. I was like, okay.
on. Look in here.
Oh, the cooler. I can't remember.
The code in there still?
There's a way to turn it on.
Oh, the light right there. Look at the light switch.
Oh yeah. No, but the light doesn't work. We have to replace the light. But this works. It turns on. It turns on somehow. But
Ew, look at this ice machine.
That's what I said.
This is disgusting.
But you know, it's kind of weird. The beer's all the way back here.
Oh hell no. I'll be tripping to go all the way back there. I'll be
No,
like,
I'd be like running back to the front.
"Ew, little
One, two,
office."
three, four.
Yeah.
Does it have an office?
Yeah, there's like a.
Ultra
Yeah, you can have a little office back here, man.
Hey, you want to have some gas cans?
Bud Light, Ultra, Budweiser, Dos Equis, and Modelo. Coca-Cola, Minute Maid, Lemonade, Mellow Yellow, Sprite, Diet Coke, and Dr. Pepper. Yeah, look how dirty the kitchen is.
I'm lucky overwhelmed to clean up.
That's how I was thinking. I'm just not
we
ready
just-
for the spiders.
we just go? I'm just kidding. It's just fucking cold. I should
Hanging on my wrist on this glass.
Say we already have to roll silverware and it's our first day.
There's a lot of spiders though. I was
What?
back there. I went into the office and I was like trying to move stuff around, and there was like spiders like moving all
Oh
over in the
my
back.
god, Minnie. And I wear these shoes.
Yeah. I also brought my Crocs, so.
We all brought Crocs and sandals.
Okay, we all just heard something fall over there. We all just heard it, and we're documenting.
What is that?
What were you
Oh no, I was moving the sugar packet, so.
Sugar phone?
Yeah. I was moving it, and then like I saw spiders, so I left. So I guess that was me. Hopefully it was me. Yeah. That shit really dirty though. We gotta clean it a lot.
Let's just start out here.
Yeah, I think we should start out here.
Yeah, most definitely. Oh hey, they left us gloves too.
Are you gonna move this fridge or keep it here?
That actually is a good question. We probably should move it somewhere if possible, but
Right.
if
The
anything, we
lights.
gotta clean it because it should look dirty.
Don't
as
forget
fuck.
to turn on the lights. That's what it says. There we go.
Okay. Say we're gonna pay the guy to come out here and clean our booths.
Oh, I think you just turned on like the hood. It's okay.
This is cute.
It's
Look,
okay.
Yes, no, I thought maybe we can paint the walls, make it look nice in here.
Yeah. And they left us some paintings and stuff like that, and like little those.
These bottom ones, these are nice. We can put them somewhere.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Okay, let's start. Let's go get the stuff. It's not that scary.
We should just crack on the window.
Okay.
Is there even any?
Yeah.
There's 1 and 2. And I think those are windows over there.
Get me.
We should crack them all and just open the windows to have
This
like
is amazing.
ventilation.
After we get all the stuff out, do one of y'all want to go get the food?
Yeah.
Look,
Here. Turn off the doors, baby.
doesn't this kind of sound cute? If in the summertime we just had like a little screen like we have downstairs, like,
Oh, and just left the door open.
and left the door open, and so people would just have to like walk through the door.
That is the truth. That is true. That is a good
Also,
idea.
And it can have good
Look at that
ventilation.
we can paint.
That would be a good idea.
Just make it look nice. We can have plants out here. Make it look vibrant.
We should pressure wash this.
Yeah, and we can paint this. And like, you know what I was also thinking?
What color should it
Guess
be?
what I was thinking, guys? Imagine if we did this. Like,
Take some
drew
for Southside.
cactuses.
Oh yeah.
Look, what if I drew? What if we like painted cactuses right here? You know what I mean?
Oh,
That'd be cute
Like
if
right
we did
here?
paint some cactus, like
Like-
3 cactuses right
Yeah,
here.
like
That's
painted
it.
them as you're walking up, and then like
and then like something right there too.
yeah, like plants. More plants all the way down. Apple tree in the corner.
Oh yeah,
You know
that'd
what I
be good.
mean?
Oh, dude. Oh, let's go see the back. Come on,
People
because
would
Kayla
love
hasn't seen.
that.
That is true.
People can walk right here.
And that,
Tattoo
look,
Manny,
there's
two
parking
Mexican
all the way
benches.
around.
Two benches that are like bite-sized. as fuck.
Yeah.
Look
We
up
can go
on
to
Facebook
Mexico.
Marketplace, bro.
We can get some from Mexico or something.
No, just kidding. Well, maybe honestly, we could probably find some cool ones. Low key.
Yeah, we can look up on Facebook.
Yeah, I mean there might be like some
Benches,
like cool
Mexican
ones.
bite-sized benches.
Yeah, I mean there might be like some really cool ones on there.
And like over time, we can get this done. Loki, I can do it better than what.
I think this opens, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this. Oh, but it's this way. It looks like.
It opens. It's just connected by this wire.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Then again, we can walk around the other way.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it. Here, you know. I think I accidentally glued it. I got this one of these.
Over time, this restaurant will be beautiful. I swear.
Maybe it's cool 'cause we can also get on the roof. I'm gonna stand on it. I have to stand on it.
No man, you're gonna fall through probably.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, I might be standing on it. Oh, hey.
There's a wasp nest. We can kill it before it turns summer. Come on, let's go back and get the cleaning stuff. Do what? I'm just confused. What are they doing? Oh, I thought that was a dead animal. Someone's fucking pillow. Ugh, I wonder how long that pillow's been there. What if I was like, I want to take it home and wash it? Yeah, we left the door open.
Oh, look at all these restaurants.
It's hot in here now.
Far. Oh shit, don't turn it up that much. Oh, it actually feels good.
Let's open all these windows.
Can we though? No, we're about to leave and get food, babe. Can I pause the video?
Yeah, yeah.